So this is, I have it all oriented the way it says on the, so it says insert all 3 plates with tabs, base and both sides, into the 2 plates with slots and rounded corners. Okay. So maybe something like this. It all fits together really, really well. So I'm going to hammer it a little bit. Oop. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Oopsies. Perfect. Okay. It's kind of easier to do it this way. Again, I'm not really great at reading instructions, but this is going very well. So then the rear, wow, I mean, that's pretty easy. This is a pretty bad hammer, and it's pretty easy to do. Wait. Very cool. Got an awesome box with a bracket to hang.